We've been multiplying polynomials using the area model for the last couple of weeks. Today I'm going to show you how to use the algebraic shortcut of the distributive property to multiply polynomials. So let's start by just looking at number 1. And on number 1, let's make this bigger. On number 1, we've got negative 3x times 2x minus 5, close our parentheses, plus 6x squared. We can just distribute this negative 3x times the 2x and times the negative 5. So let's go ahead and just do that. Negative 3x times 2x is negative 6x squared. Negative 3x times negative 5 is 15x. And then we would just bring down our 6x squared, so plus 6x squared. All right, so we have some like terms. We have a negative 6x squared and a positive 6x squared. So those actually cancel each other out, and our answer is 15x. To just bring it back and tie it back into how it would be if you did the area model, you would just say negative 3x. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my boxes. And we're multiplying it times 2x minus 5. So again, negative 3x times 2x is negative 6x squared. And negative 3x times negative 5 is plus 15. So we would bring that down, negative 6x squared, plus 15x plus 6x squared. So we're back to the same position. We've got two like terms, and we cancel them out, and our answer is 15x. So just wanted to show you how to do it algebraically using the distributive property, because for some of you, you may be tired of drawing the boxes. If you prefer the area model and the boxes, you're more than welcome to keep doing it that way. So I want you to do number 2 and number 3 on your own. Pause your video while you do the work. Biggest thing is, if you want to use area model, do it. If you would like to use the distributive property, do that. Either way will work just fine. Once you've done your answers, then start the video back up for the explanation. Okay, just check to make sure you got the same answers. Notice on number 3 that when I simplified it, I came up with 20x plus 13x to the third power, and then I went ahead and just put them into degree order with the highest degreed exponent first. If you didn't put it in degree order, it's still correct. It's just the way I like to do it. Okay, so we've also worked with our area models in multiplying two binomials together, or a binomial and a trinomial. And when we did that, we ended up with a 2 by 2 or a 2 by 3 square area model. So we're going to take this example that they've given us, and we're going to do it first as an area model, and then I'm going to show you the algebraic shortcut of splitting and distributing. So first, let's just go ahead and start doing it the way that we're very good at and very comfortable with. And that's an area model. So I'm going to go ahead and draw first my boxes. And I'm going to go ahead and put my negative 3x minus 4 on top. And on the side, I'm going to put 5x plus 2. Just a little 5x plus 2. Okay, so in our area models, we're just multiplying. We'll first start up on the top row, and we'll multiply the 5x times the negative 3x. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in. That gives me a negative 15x squared. And then I'm going to multiply my 5x by negative 4, which gives me negative 20x. Now I'm going to do the second row. Do the same thing. My 2 times negative 3x is negative 6x. And my 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And if I go ahead and combine my like terms, that's this guy and this guy that are alike, that gives me negative 15x squared minus 26x minus 8. That's the area model. You guys are really, really good at doing that. Let me show you how this works with the kind of the algebraic shortcut of distribution. And pretty much all we're doing in our area model is it's almost like 2 stories. The first story, or the top story, I guess that's really the second story, is our 5x being multiplied by the negative 3x and the negative 4. So that's one area model, and it's stacked on top of really a second area model. So technically you already know how to do this. You're splitting up this binomial, multiplying it one time, and then multiplying it a second time. So we'll just do the same process without the boxes. We're going to split that first binomial. We're going to put our 5x times the second binomial, and then our positive 2 times the second binomial. So if you'll notice, this right here, that's the second story of my area model, and this right here is the first story of my area model. So it goes the same from there. 5x times negative 3x and 5x times negative 4. So negative 15x squared minus 20x. And then I got 2 times negative 3x and 2 times negative 4. So minus 6x minus 8. When I combine my like terms, I end up with the same exact answer, negative 15x squared minus 26x minus 8. So again, just like with these single area models, you can either do distribution or you can do your area model. I just wanted to show you the algebraic shortcut way. So I want you to do number 4 and number 5 on your own. So pause your video, use either method. When you've completed them, start the video back up to check your answers. Okay, so regardless of whichever process you use, you should have come up with the same answers.